Take a look at this. 2008 SLR with only 10,000 documented miles, clean Carfax, an amazing supercar of the era. The Lamborghini Diablo, amazing car, lots of great history with this car as well. We've got Ferraris, we've got Aston Martins, just an amazing collection of cars. Gonna draw some attention to this particular car. It's a 1970, the most desirable year. Cowl-induction hood, 454, power steering, power brake, with air conditioning added. Again, a 454, has a 4-speed, has a 12-bolt, is set up just like the LS5 is. Just an incredible opportunity. Take a real close look at those cars as you look at them online. We're gonna take a look at the interior real quick. Again, this is a convertible car, highly desirable, 4-speed, lots of attention made to detail, very clear gauges. We're gonna look at the door panels, they're amazing. The seats, just the interior. As you come on back and look, the bottom of the car is awesome. Correct wheels, excellent bright work, chrome. The trunk again is detailed out, jack and spare tire, all your markings, all your things that you would want to have in a 454 70 Chevelle.